did you hear that? Did you hear that?
I just caught it.
So, might have just caught it.
It was
Wow.
so low down on camera as well.
Wow, wow, wow.
It did that, but then on the door, there was a tiny, like a tiny figure.
Really?
Yeah, but then, but I don't know if my camera angle were right with camcorder because I was looking up. So that's where you've just been stood.
Did everyone hear that? That was a clear line. Loud.
Yeah.
It wasn't quiet, it wasn't like a pin drop, it was knock.